In this video, we will show you how to measure your internet speeds. At MVDSL, we currently offer 4 speeds: a 1.5 megabit down with 512 kilobits up, a 5 megabit down with 768 kilobits up, a 10 megabit down with 768 kilobits up, and finally a 5 megabit down with an up to 2 megabits upload speed. Netflix and other high definition videos require our 5 megabit speed or better to perform well, while other programs like email, web browsing, most games, and YouTube videos work just fine at the 1.5 megabit speed. On a side note, we plan on increasing our speeds in the near future. To start, open up your internet browser. Examples of common internet browsers are Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, and Chrome. In this example, we have Firefox open. Next, we will open up our site. Looks like we've already started typing stuff in there. So we're going to go to http www.speedtest.net. And then once this loads, we're going to go ahead and click on the Begin Test. And while this test is running, I want to spend a few minutes talking about some factors that may affect your internet speed. The first factor is wireless connection. We found that wireless connections generally do not perform as well. We've also found that one of our most common problems with Netflix and programs like that deal with a wireless connection to the Netflix device, and that once we hardwire this device, the problem generally clears up. Another issue with wireless is that you could have, especially if you have an unsecure connection, you could have a neighbor that is connected to it. If the neighbor is trying to use your connection at the same time you are, this can cause problems and cause you to be slow. There's a risk with having a neighbor connected to it, and the fact that a neighbor could be doing some illegal activities which might cause the FBI to come knocking at your door. So we highly recommend that you use a secure wireless connection if you're doing wireless. If you've got a wireless router from us within the last 3 or 4 years, they all should be secure. If you've got one from us before that time, or you've added your own, not really sure. So if you have any questions and it's one of our devices, give us a call and we can help you out. Our phone number is 397-2601, or you can shoot us an email. We can probably figure it out remotely at support@mvdsl.com. Another thing that can cause speed issues is if your computer's in the middle of doing something, or other computers in your house are using the internet at the same time. A common theme might be if your computer is in the middle of a download, maybe downloading some program updates, Windows update for example, or one of the computers in your house is doing this. As they share that connection with a speed test, of course your speeds are going to be a little bit slower. Another issue that we found that really slows down things is, especially true if you might have kids in your house, teenagers, is file sharing. A common file sharing program is BitTorrent. Basically the way BitTorrent works is you download a file from multiple computers all over the world, and multiple computers from all over the world can connect to your computer to upload any file that you may have allowed. So BitTorrent is not uncommon to see 40, 50, even 100 connections to your computer, which can really bog things down and cause, even if it's not the computer that you're running a speed test from, it might be a kid's computer in the house, it will greatly affect your speed test. So beware of that. So now let's look at the results. In this speed test, we see a ping time of 15 milliseconds, which is very good, and a download speed of about 10 megabits, a little bit higher, an upload speed of 0.76 milliseconds. We were 768, so that's right on the nose. The ping time, if you're looking at ping times, basically a ping is you send a test message to the server and it responds back. And generally, the further away things are, the greater the ping time is going to be. So, but another good thing that we would recommend is that if you maybe have good speed results and you think things still don't work so good, so let's try a new server. Let's try a different location. So let's go down here and click on new server. And this brings up the map again. Now, an obvious choice would be right here in Las Vegas. For some reason, we found that this site does not give us very good speed results, which seems kind of odd because it is hosted by Switch Communications, which we have direct connection to, and it doesn't really even have to go over the internet. So we kind of suspect that maybe they have their Speedtest server just overloaded and just can't handle the load. So what we'd recommend is that maybe go to Los Angeles or San Diego, and to do this, let's go to the left or to the west, and just right-click on your mouse and just kind of drag the mouse so you can see Los Angeles. Los Angeles is right here, and San Diego is down here. So let's go ahead and we'll try Los Angeles, and we'll click on Los Angeles, and it should give us some results here. As you can see, the ping test, the ping is a little bit higher. Expect that because it's Los Angeles. It's got to go through more equipment to get there, more routers and different things like that. Download speed seems to be a little bit higher. The upload's still loading up here, but looks like it's going to be pretty close to the same. Might be a little bit lower, but so 768. So we got pretty similar results at Los Angeles. So this is telling me that things on my computer are looking pretty good. Things on the internet are looking pretty good. If you do this consistently, you're consistently seeing speeds that you just don't expect, that's significantly lower than what you expect. Most of the time you get slow speeds. Please give us a call. You've got a problem. We want to fix that for you so you can have a positive result on the internet. Thank you very much for spending a few minutes with us. Bye.